My younger sister, Sylvia, loved to play pranks. She secretly swapped crucial evidence in my court case just to watch me be humiliated. The innocent underage victims were distorted, the rapist acquitted. 23 young lives were lost, shocking public opinion. As a lawyer, my reputation was ruined. Everyone cursed me. Furious, I went to confront Sylvia, but she hid behind my fiancé, Ethan, with an innocent look. "I'm sorry, sister. I just thought it was fun." I didn't realize they were so weak. My parents stopped me, piling all the blame onto me. Chased by an angry mob, frantically trying to overturn the case, I died in a car accident. When I opened my eyes again, I had returned to the day my sister swapped the evidence. I had been reborn. Regaining my composure, I pushed Sylvia away, buttoned my shirt, and snapped angrily. "How dare you, as a woman, make a joke out of others' pain? Get out of my sight, or don't blame me for being impolite," Sylvia cried. "I was just playing a little prank," I replied. "Is that so? Then I hope this lifetime, Sylvia, you get to fully enjoy the cruel pranks I have in store for you, until your reputation is ruined beyond redemption for eternity." The next day was the court hearing. Sylvia smugly watched me, mouthing "innocent," but the next second her expression changed. What was presented to the court was not her fabricated evidence about the victims, but piled up evidence of the director's crimes, having molested the girls over the years. I transformed the anger and guilt of my past life into my fighting will. In court, my words were sharp, questioning the defendant and his lawyer until cold sweat poured down their pale faces. Sylvia sat frozen in her seat, face ashen, muttering, "How can this be? I already swapped the evidence." Then I stated clearly, "Furthermore, I solemnly accuse the defendant of allegedly using illegal means to bribe the legal assistant in this case, interfering with the fairness of justice. I urge the court to judge strictly and immediately initiate an investigation into the involved legal assistant to clarify the truth." Sylvia, sitting in the audience, shot up, frantically refuting, "She's speaking nonsense. That's not true." I turned back and raised an eyebrow at her. "The law is fair. It will not wrong the innocent, and it will absolutely not overlook any criminal." I emphasized, any criminal. The beastly director was convicted of rape and sentenced to 13 years in prison. The bribery charge would be handled in a separate case. Knowing she would be investigated as an implicated party, Sylvia's face immediately darkened, and then she fainted. After the trial, I prepared to leave the courthouse. My father, fuming, pounded his cane on the ground. "You unfilial child, how dare you intentionally harm your sister in court? We, the Jiang family, truly don't know why we have a daughter like you." My mother grabbed my hair. "If I had known you had such a vicious heart, I would never have given birth to you." I only felt ironic. "Your cheap parental love, I no longer need it. You abandoned me and then personally caused Sylvia's death. You must take care of yourselves. I look forward to seeing you live a long, lonely life until old age." With Lena Lee's intervention, public opinion at the scene immediately reversed. People, who originally only trusted public authorities, now cursed Sylvia, the accomplice of the criminal. The video from the scene went viral online. Sylvia's image as a legal goddess completely collapsed.